WordPress tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can go ahead and create your WordPress website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now normally what you can do is you can go ahead and sign up onto other different platforms like Bluehost or Hostinger, create an account over there and get hosting from there as well. But I'm going to skip all of that. Since it's pretty simple and easy, you can go ahead and sign up over there and get started, and it'll bring you right over here to the next part that I'm about to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up onto WordPress and create an account. I already have an account, and I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a website. So if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and get started and sign up with using one of your following socials like Google, Apple, GitHub, or anything like that. But since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in and we're going to continue. All right, so now I'm logged in, and here you'll have your website. So I have two websites that I already had created before. It's pretty easy to create. You can just simply click on add new site and select one of these options right here. So either go for WordPress or build with AI. Either one you choose, you can go ahead and create yourself a website. So I already have one. If you go with the WordPress option, it'll ask you to name the website, where you can go ahead and create a domain name as well and connect it. But if not, you should good to go. So let's go ahead and create one. I'll click on WordPress.com. Here we'll name the website. So if you want to go ahead and buy one of the domains, you can go ahead and select one of these domains over here or one of these below. If you don't want to purchase it for now, you can click on the skip purchase button, and it's going to take you to the plan section. Here you can go ahead and get started with the plan. We'll get into that later, but for now I'm going to start and continue with the free plan. It's going to create the dashboard for that website, and here we go. So let me give you a little overview. So here on the left hand side, you're going to have all of your options, right? So you've got upgrade, posts, and pages, plugins, appearances, everything. Here you have all of your quick tips or whatever, and here you have your quick links where you can go ahead and update your website. Like you can edit the site, write a blog, manage comments, add pages, domains, and all of the other stuff as well. So let's get into it. So in order for you to go ahead and edit your website, you can edit it over here. We'll get into that. And here you have your little checklist where you can give your site a name. Let's go ahead and add the name of the website, and here it'll take us to the general settings option where we can go ahead and add the name. So it was James Travel Vlog. There we go. That looks good. And let's go ahead and scroll down and save it. Boom, we got it. So now we're going to go back to the dashboard, and we're going to go ahead and edit the website. Okay, so the dashboard now updated. That's fine. We can leave it as it is. So let's go with the quick links and click on, where'd it go? Okay, so now everything's just updated, so I don't see it. We can just move things around over here, daily writing prompt or whatever. And yeah, I think this is okay. And move that on this section, and this will move it over here. There we go. And this one, move it here like that. Bunch of them, actually. We got so many. All right, I'll leave it as it is. Next, this is the edit site button over here at the top. We're going to click on edit site, and it's going to take us to the editor. So give it a couple of seconds. It's going to load everything up for us, and we should be good to go. All right, so here we go. So here we have the design section, the navigation style and everything. If you want to use a template, you can use it over here. If you have a template like an HTML file, you can install it over here, add your own template. Here you have your pages, all of the pages of your website are going to be over here. Here the style, and then we have the navigation. If you want to edit it, just simply hit anything and you'll enter into the editor and you'll get started. So here you have a pretty simple idea. Here you can add your tagline. This is like the header section. You can move it around as well, but I think this is okay for now. Over here on the left hand side, this is like you can edit this later as well. And here you have your main website. Here you have an image. Here you can change the image to whatever you want. You can remove it. Down below you're going to have all of your posts, all of the blogs that you have. So let's go ahead and do it. So since this is a travel vlog, James Travel Vlog, we're going to add a new cover image over here. So to do that, we're going to click on this blue button, the block inserter at the top left corner. Scroll down. We're going to find the cover option. We're going to click on cover, and we're going to move it up at the top, or just simply hit this button right here, this little arrow. It's automatically going to move it at the top. And now we can go ahead and upload the media. If you have an image, you can upload it. If not, you can come over to this website called Pexels, where you can go ahead and install or add whatever type of image you want. So let's go with a decent image, something that's cool. like this one. This one looks cool. So we're going to click on download, download the image, come back over here, click on upload, upload the image right here. So there we go. Let's move that over there within the image so that we have like that option right there. So let's go ahead and get rid of this one, and I'll copy the name. I'll write it over here, and we'll just get rid of this section right here. There we go. So let's go ahead and make that bolder. And if you want, we can add like an AI assistant as well to go ahead and expand it, change the tone, whatever. And here we can go with heading or quote or verse or one of the other options as well. I feel like the heading is okay. We have the size over here. Let's go with a little bit of bigger size like that. That looks good. There we go. So that looks great. And now we have the image. Now we can move on to the next section. I also want to save this for now and go back to the dashboard and just check one thing. So here we're going to come back underneath posts. I just want to see the posts. So here we go. We have our vlogs. So here we can create a new post as well. So I'll add a post. Go next, click on next, whatever, just get started. So the title of this post is going to be, let's just say Japan travel series number 1 or 2, whatever. Yeah, that looks good. And here we can add our blocks about Japan and see how that looks like. We can add all of our images, our blog about Japan over here. I just wanted to add this so that when we're editing the website, I just want to make sure that it appears over there as well instead of, hello world. So I'm just simply going to trash this and we should be good to go. So now if I click on edit site, all right, so now we can see our vlog and we can click on it and it'll open up, right? So this is how it looks like. Down below, we're going to have all of our vlogs. And if you have multiple pages, right, you can go ahead and click on these buttons right here to move between pages. If not, you can leave them. And this little about section, usually you can go ahead and place it in the bottom, but currently it's been positioned over here as a sidebar, so we can't move it. But if you come down below, this is the footer right here. Here you can go ahead and select one of these options right here where you have all of your options, your links, your socials, everything. So looks pretty cool. Here you go, hours, social, and all of the addresses. So once you've added that, you should be good to go. So it's a pretty simple editor. I believe this should give you some sort of direction into how you can edit the website. So after that, you can save it and boom. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can edit a website in WordPress. Later, you can go ahead and purchase or upgrade your plan. And if you come over here, this is the upgrade session, right? Here we have all of our plans we can check out. And each of these plans will give you a bunch of different options. You can see right here, business one is the best if you want to upload or install a bunch of plugins. Otherwise, you can go with the personal or a premium one. They both offer pretty similar plans, except that in the personal, you only get 6 gigabytes of storage, and in the premium, you get 13 gigabytes of storage, and you have an ad-free experience on all of the websites, meaning if you're using free, you're going to have ads on your website. And other than that, you get customizable fonts, colors, and you can connect to Google Analytics and upload videos in the premium one. In the personal, you can do that. Business, again, gives you all of those and allows you to add plugins, customize fonts, upload videos, and everything else. So there you go. There you go. That's how you do it. And here is the monthly plan. This was for 50% off. If you go with monthly, this is how much it's going to cost you. If you go with pay every 3 years, it's a little bit different, but yeah. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you use WordPress, how you can use it to create a website. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.